How to tell the institution buy this stock. Today I will give you the trick and you can use it for your stock or any stock by simple looking at volume. Today I'm going to give you the trick and the insights of the market. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you learn more, make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. We don't recommend any stock. And this one is a China ETF times free ETF. Okay. So basically they are bull China market 3 times. This is ETF. But today I'm going to show you Indiana will show you what is the stock code. But first I want you to focus on this part. You see the volume is much higher than before. What is interesting is this stock basically fluctuating very small range. Okay, so when we do the stock market, when we want to be the investor, when we want to make money, you guess you follow the public, you follow the news, or you follow the institution. Which one will you follow? Yes, institution. So you want to know what they actually thinking. Okay? Because when the news allows those kind of news, they are kind of like manipulating you. Everyone know those news and you think you can make money from other people's pocket. I don't think so. You are a bit silly if you think this way. So we need to think what institution thinking. And actually for me, I don't really watch too much news because they are quite manipulating and will affect the confidence you do the trade, okay? Or you do worse, you do the wrong trade. So now I'm looking at this stock. Let's say any stock. You can check your stock also. This part. So basically, scenario one, this stock is not moving much. It's very, very small range. When the stock price, I want you to imagine if we go to the ocean, right? When we go to the beach, when we see the wave, it's so calm, so calm, so calm. This is exactly right before the storm. Basically, they are storing the momentum and the power, and then after either go up or go down. So this one, you guess go up or go down. How to tell? So look at also here. Scenario one, the price range is not much. Scenario two, look at the volume. If we look at the volume, you will see something interesting. Look at this purple line. You see on average, the volume is more than before. Basically, they cover all the candles. Do you see that? So what does it mean? So just now we start to think about the logic, okay? When the stock not moving much, but the volume is bigger than before. What does it mean? First, who can push up the volume? In institution or individual? Yes, individual. So let's say if you don't have my indicator, of course, with my indicator, I have another technique. But today I'm going to show you how to do without my technique. But it will take more time. That's it. So, and it doesn't, this is one of the trick is how institution buy stock. It's not the only one. Okay. I need to make a disclaimer. So the price is not moving much, but the volume is bigger than before. What does it mean? It means someone big is absorbing the stock here. Okay, so basically, who is that? Who is the person absorbing the stock? Yes, institution. Okay, so basically, for example, it happened before also. Look at here. If we enlarge it, let's say we don't know what is going on here. Okay, but you can tell by the volume here, just average, or I'm just look from your eyes, you can see the average is more than before. It's very obvious. It's very obvious. Okay, the volume here is not fluctuating so much, but the volume is bigger than before, so it's not increasing a lot. Okay, so it's controlled by something. So actually, it's the institution buying here. Okay, so with my indicator, I have one, and afterward, after institution buying, what's going on? You tell me. Institution come here to make money. Okay, so what is going on is they go all the way up. they go up. Okay, this is one of the pattern how they buy the stock. With my indicator, you can look at much easier called YM chip entry with this green candle. Okay, you can know this is buying, this is buying, but this is not following the volume pattern. They follow another pattern. But how come we don't have the green chips here? Why? You say institution buying here, how come it's not here? Because it show in 30 minutes. And I will tell you why only in 30 minutes. Because the 30 minutes, because the range they buy is much smaller. The scale is much smaller. So one day they buy much bigger the scale, much bigger than 30 minutes. And the best is 1 week or even 1 month. Okay? So if you find a stock with 1 month chart, with my indicator, you find out they did buy the stock. Hey, this one you need to pay really close attention because it could play really big afterward because this is a monthly chart. It means the scale is very big. Okay, so this stock, I don't recommend you any stock here. I'm here only do the education purpose, but in the end I will show you which stock. So this is one of the trick, and I want you to understand the power, why we need to think with the institution, why we need to think with the big shark. We don't think like a small fish, okay? So with my indicator, you can much easier to tell. So this stock is YINN. So this is a bullish, let me see this one, okay? So China Blue 3 times shares. You can buy on US stock. I don't recommend any stock here, by the way. Okay, so we have the strategy with YM Chippers how to play with this stock, how to use the strategy with this one to buy before they raise. Okay, so for example, here, if you, let's say you buy here, they disappear, you use the strategy. Do you think you can buy? Let me enlarge. I have three strategy, remember? So this is daily chart. Let me repeat. First step, the first one, we use the first candle of the green candle. When they go above, they close above, we buy. Or if you are more aggressive, more ambitious trader, you can use the highest green candle. Remember when the green candle disappear first, okay? Because you don't know they can come up another higher, okay? Then you buy. For example, here. But you need to set the cut loss because they can continue, okay? So for example, the first one. Let's say you buy here or you buy here. Oh, they go lower. So you use this, the first candle, the lowest price, as a stop loss. Okay? And in the future, you will buy a bit more. But one thing I want you to combine with YM Club Long. Look at YM Club Long. They're going down, going down, going down. So you are not buying full house like all in, okay? But let's say if you combine the indicator, let me do this. If you combine the indicator, you will see here, they go disappear, the green candle disappear. Okay, they go disappear. They go above the blue, and the blue changing direction as well. So you buy at that time. And look, the fund movement here, the institution holding also going up. So this is a very, like a triple confirmation. You buy here. You buy here, okay? So this is a very good, but of course, with this strategy, if you buy with YM chip entry, this strategy is very good because you buy right, you don't waste time. You, for example, this one, right? The first candle is this one. Or you buy with the highest candle is this one. 6.47. So this is highest. So you buy when they go above this candle, right? So you buy here. And afterward, they go all the way up. How to sell? because you buy with blue, you sell with blue. Basically, you're buying around, so you buy around here, 18, and you're selling around 27. Okay, so this is a strategy with how to buy with this indicator. So now I want to show you how to buy Google. I just want to give you the insight from the chart. What is going on lately? It go up so much. So if we look, we have this and this YM chip entry. It means institution coming. I remember previously we have some news about Google. They say, oh, they are losing the market because they are not catching up with the AI, blah, blah, blah. Why they announce this news? Because they want to buy the stock. They want to buy the stock. Look, okay? Institution buy stock. They don't want to tell you they are buying. No one do that because they haven't finished. Okay? You really think they want to share the profit with you? No. So they want to buy, they want to have a lower cost. Okay? Remember, the money is the flow, If you know what they're doing, you can share some money with them. If you follow the public, remember the money is always from the public to the smarter one. Okay? So this is the strategy. So basically they buy here, they buy here. Okay? If you use this strategy, let's say this candle disappear, you use the first candle, you don't have a buying chance. They are not yet over the first one. So they continue. Okay? Another one, the first candle is here. The first candle is here. Okay? They go above, we buy, and then they come back, we buy. We buy here, but the blue line is still going downward. So we add the position, not 100%. Don't never 100%. Okay, never. But one good thing is the YM chip pass. They go above the purple. This is good because this means institution holding more than the average. Okay, and then they come back to the blue and they give you a second chance to buy around here. If we use YM chip fast, you can tell here. Okay, so you can use the YM chip entry strategy. When they go above the first green candle, you buy. Or more ambitious, you buy with the highest green candle. When they go above, you buy. Okay, so both you can see they go above the blue line and blue changing direction, and you add your position. You can add your position here and also around here. Okay, so this is the update how to use YM chip entry and how to use volume to look at the stock. If you don't have my indicator, you need to spend more time and know more trick about the volume things, because volume pattern is very important. And they will tell you how actually the institution buying stock. Okay, so this is Google. And is it any question, you can put the comment below, and I see you in the next video. If you want to have this indicator, you can click the link in description. I see you next time. Bye.